everyone, my name is Sidney, and during this video we're going to talk about the first activity we did with our tutees, this being a plagiarism workshop. During this activity we help them know what plagiarism is and the ways they can work through it and how to paraphrase. So during this video, my fellow colleagues were going to talk about what it is, how we can detect it, and all of the things we can do in order to know what plagiarism actually is.
During this session, we work with our tutees and we explain them how they can paraphrase. My name is Miguel, and in this video I'm going to explain what plagiarism is, how we teach our tutees this theme, and especially about paraphrasing. So plagiarism is copying someone else's ideas, thoughts, or essays and putting as yours. That means you are not doing your own work, and that means you are copying or stealing someone else's work. When we talk about paraphrasing, is a tool that it is very important for people, because this tool helps us read information through the internet and use it, but without being plagiarism. How can this work? Well, paraphrasing is you read a specific article or an essay. You take bullet points. You take the main ideas. Once you got all of the main ideas, you go to your own paper and you start writing. But you have to be careful, because sometimes it might be confusing and you can think that you are using your own words, but you are using the original ones. So once you got your key points and your keywords, you start writing your own essay or your own article by using your own words. This tool helps you because you are not completely copying someone else's idea, but instead you're taking that as a base, as something that can help you to create your own. It is important to know that we're only gonna do citations during the paraphrase and incomplete plagiarisms. Something important that not many people know is that when you are using general information, information that everybody knows, is not necessary for you to cite the author or the site that you took that from the internet. For example, cities or capitals that was not created by one person, but it was created by an entity or many people. So that was what we taught our tutees. And now my colleague Carlos is going to explain what the activities we did with them, and how all of these activities helped them create a concept map that they previously explained it during the class to the fellow classmates. Thank you.
As you can see in this picture, I was giving the instructions of the things they were supposed to do.
Okay, the activity we planned with our tutees was to work an activity that explained what is paraphrasing. So basically, we received a paper from the teacher, Mr. Sosa, and then we divided the information between all the tutees, and then we asked them what did they understand about paraphrasing. So when each student gave, or each tutee gave their point of view or their opinion of what they knew, we then read the activity. So the thing that we proposed was to do a map that divided and explained what was plagiarism related to paraphrasing. So each student gave their point of view, their main idea, and then every student went to the front of the class and exposed. So this was done for the student to develop his thoughts of English, and for them to practice their English by exposing them to other tutees. So that was our activity. Thank you. As you can see in this image, the tutor Sidney started to explain the activity to the tutees and divided the information for every tutee to do the following activity.